مرحبا, أنا حازم. Hello, I am Hazem. I work as the Arabic language trainer here at LevelUp Knowledge Institute. Today we'll be talking about something you'll pretty much encounter on your everyday conversation. It's numbers. So numbers in Arabic work in a different way than they do in English. Okay, let's start. Today we'll be talking about something you'll pretty much encounter on your everyday conversation. It's numbers. So numbers in Arabic work in a different way than they do in English. Okay, let's start. So one in Arabic is واحد, واحد. Then we have two is اثنان, اثنان. ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة, ثمانية, تسعة, عشرة. So for numbers between 11 and 19, what you do is basically say the number followed by عشر. Let's try it. So أحد عشر. It's a bit different. It's not saying واحد عشر, but this is how it works in Arabic. So أحد عشر, اثنا عشر, ثلاثة عشر, أربعة عشر, خمسة عشر, ستة عشر, سبعة عشر, ثمانية عشر, تسعة عشر, and then we come to 20, عشرون. A lot of people may say we've never heard anyone say أحد عشر or أربعة عشر in everyday language. This is basically because in everyday we use colloquial Arabic or local dialects. So what you might have heard from conversations is 11, 12, 15. So those variations you can encounter whenever you go to an Arab country and talk with the locals. So don't worry. A lot of people may say that we've never heard anyone say أحد عشر when saying 11, or he's never heard anyone saying ستة عشر. Well, actually, the reason is Arabic is spoken in dialects and in a colloquial way. So it might have different names and you might encounter different ways to pronounce it. For example, you might have heard instead of أحد عشر, 11 or 11. So a lot of people might say we've never heard anyone say those numbers the way I just said them. The reason is a lot of people use colloquial Arabic, in which the pronunciation and the way we pronounce numbers is slightly different. Actually, instead of saying 14 or 15, you might hear people say the number followed by tash. For example, 14, 16, and so on. So after 20, numbers have a system. For example, if you want to say 21, what we do in Arabic actually is the other way around than the way we do it in English. We say 1 and 20. So, واحد وعشرون. 22 is, as you probably guessed, اثنان وعشرون, and so on. Then we have 30 in Arabic is ثلاثون, 40 is أربعون, 50 is خمسون, and so on. For example, if you want to say 54, you say أربعة وخمسون. Until we reach 100, which is مئة. So numbers in Arabic aren't that hard. If you want to know more, come here to the LevelUp Knowledge Institute, where we try to make learning fun, rewarding, and we try to give you the best experience. Thank you for watching.